We're talking Temp-tations again. Temp-tations that brings us those beautiful hand-painted ceramic pieces, but now we're talking resin. So as your front wreath, as a wreath inside of your home, hang it on a mirror, use it as your centerpiece right there, as we see right there. This is beautiful. It's the 16-inch Figural spring wreaths. Actually, it just comes in one, the egg hunt right there, please. It just comes in this one color. It's done in resin, also hand painted. Thank you so much, because it matches back perfectly. This is just like the egg hunt. Anything, if you have anything egg hunt, this is gonna match back perfectly to it. From Temp-tations, it is a sweet, beautiful wreath with the colorful Easter eggs, with the bunnies all the way around. It is 16 inches in diameter. It is really, really thin as well. It's 1 1/4 inches thin. So this is going to be perfect if you have a storm door, right? This is going to fit right in the center of it. Front door inside as your centerpiece, all of it, with the bunny accents. So a beautiful just spring wreath, obviously Easter wreath, and gorgeous. H248179 is your item number. Yeah, I'll just grab it because I want to thank you so much. I want to show, first, oh my God, the price. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place here. I'm trying to get my, my thoughts together. This is normally a $73 wreath. Yeah, okay. Today, $34.96. We're saving $38.04. So we're saving way more than we're spending on this. A beautiful, all done in resin. And again, so you can hang it wherever you like. But then let's say you want to build a beautiful centerpiece for your Easter table, for example. You put this down and now you have your egg hunt vase and candle holders as well, and now you have something so special, so beautiful, so easy for your beautiful spring table, and that's all you had to do. Now you have some beautiful tulips if you like coming out of your vase, or you have your flameless candles, and now you have a gorgeous centerpiece right there. It's just that easy, and this is going to last you for so long. So the vase and the candle holders are done in ceramic. This is done in resin, so it's going to be really, really durable if you put it on your door, outside, or anywhere in the house. It's such a pretty piece, so colorful, so happy. Those bunnies are just adorable, and you have your polka dot Easter eggs, you have the ones with the zigzags on it, a pink, a blue, and a yellow, and then even the bunnies have that beautiful baby pink inside of their ears, and just such a pretty and different way to decorate, right? Because we might have a wreath, but it's got greenery on it. This is just something different, or you add it to your greenery, and now you can switch it up. And you can leave that big greenery one out, and then you just add this to it, take it off when it's time, and then you can add something else to beautify your regular greenery. So only 700 remain now. We are on this clearance price, so when it sells out, we are not bringing this particular design back. So if you're loving it, take advantage now. It used to be $73. It is $34.96 right now. 4 easy payments of $874. We are we're saving way more than we're spending, and you can use it on your front door, inside of your door, anywhere in your home. H248179 is the item number for the resin spring wreath. All right, so this is how we started our show. Super popular. More